Did you know writing is like baking bread? Just as a baker follows a recipe, a writer follows a process. Both need the right steps to create something wonderful. Imagine skipping steps in baking. The bread wouldn't turn out right. Writing is similar. Skipping steps can lead to confusion. Let's uncover the steps to becoming a writing master. Think of baking bread without letting it rise. It would be a disaster. Writing without a process can be just as messy. Following steps ensures your writing is clear and engaging. By understanding the writing process, you can create stories that captivate your readers. It's like having a secret recipe for success. Start by understanding your assignment. Know what you need to do before you begin. This is like gathering ingredients before baking. Choose a topic that excites you. Brainstorm ideas using free writing, lists, or mind maps. This is where your creativity starts to shine. Turn your outline into a draft. Don't worry about perfection. Focus on getting your ideas down. Remember, this is just the beginning of your writing journey. Think of this stage as kneading the dough. It's messy, but necessary to shape your ideas into something tangible. Revise your draft to improve clarity and flow. Edit for grammar, punctuation, and spelling. Use a checklist to ensure your paragraph is the best it can be. This stage is like baking the bread. It's where your hard work pays off and your writing becomes something to be proud of. Practice makes perfect. Keep writing regularly. Try different topics and styles to expand your skills. Remember, every writer has their unique process. Think of each writing session as a new batch of bread. The more you bake, the better you become. Pre-writing, drafting, and revising are key stages. Each step builds on the previous one for a strong final product. By following the process, you'll become a confident writer. By mastering these steps, you'll create writing that others will enjoy reading. It's like sharing a delicious loaf of bread with friends. Start your writing journey today. Use the writing process to tackle any assignment. Share your writing with others and watch your skills grow. Remember, every great writer started where you are now. Embrace the process and let your creativity soar. By following these steps, you'll not only improve your writing, but also enjoy the journey. It's time to bake your masterpiece. So, grab your pen or keyboard and start writing. The world is waiting to read your stories. Remember, writing is a journey, not a destination. Keep learning, keep improving, and most importantly, keep writing. Let's embark on this adventure together. Your writing journey awaits, and it's going to be amazing.